I wish I boy, this, I should have did this about 10 years ago. This feels great.
All right, Tori, so tell me what's going on. What's giving you trouble?
Man, everything. Like, when I'm working too long, I swell up. Like my knees, my legs, I've been in the hospital a couple times for it. Nobody can figure out anything. They said I'm like, what they call me?
The mystery.
Yeah, the mystery man. Anywhere on me, if I start itching, I swell. So this knee and this knee, they say I got arthritis real bad in this knee. But I had an accident once, years and years ago. I fell over a balcony, but I was just hanging there by this leg, you know what I mean, for about a half an hour, 40 minutes.
Till somebody came to get you?
Yeah. So
oh my gosh.
This was all ripped up. But then I just went on, you know what I mean? I never went and got it looked at. I just went on about my way. And I deal with the pain, but man, I'm just hoping it could give me some kind of relief with the back. I wake up, I don't feel refreshed at all.
Yeah.
I just feel like I need to snatch something to try to pop me or crack me or something. Our counters in our bed and our kitchen is like this, so I go in there and just lift myself up to see if I can crack.
Yeah, just to take the pressure off your low back, right?
Yeah, that's what I be doing, but it don't work all the time. When it work, it just feels so good. So I said, man, I gotta find me somewhere to get chiropractic thing.
So what were you telling me about your previous chiropractic experience? You want to share that?
They couldn't crack me. They tried to twist me. They tried to pull me. The most they ever got was like 2 or 3, but nothing like when I see on your videos.
What would you say your number one problem is? Number one problem area?
My back.
Low back, mid back?
Yeah, like right up in here, because when I sleep, I constantly got to toss. I can never get comfortable. And I'm tossing and turning because I'm trying to find a good spot where I could lay that's comfortable for me. But no, my back, every day I wake up, my back hurt. Every day.
It's just your whole body, basically.
Pretty much. So I'm trying to see if I can get me some relief.
Right.
You know, when you watch your videos and I be sitting, I'm like, man, and then you did a big guy.
Yeah.
And that's why I was like, if he do this big guy, you know, they couldn't do me. And I was big, you know, I was big like that. So I'm like, if he do this guy, that's where we going right here. So when you did that guy, I was like, babe, listen, look. I said, we got to find him. But yeah, it's been like that, man, and here I am.
I'm gonna go through an exam, check your spine out, check your neck out, and then check your range of motion, then we'll move into treatment.
They could never crack my neck.
They couldn't get your neck?
Never could crack my neck.
I love a challenge, you know? So a lot down here. I feel like a lot of your issues.
See, that's just you pushing on it like that, I feel like you need to get cracked.
Okay. Reach down towards your toes for me. All right?
Yeah, that's about it.
Can't get cracked. I'm telling you that.
All right, here we go. Let's get started. First thing we're gonna start with is the magic hug. So we're gonna work on this lateral flexion of the neck right here. So you're just gonna drop your head down right here for me. And feel lift up.
Oh, that's a good one.
Oh, Lord have mercy.
He's never been cracked like that ever.
Oh my goodness. I thought they was fibbing. Ooh, that felt
so good.
Oh my goodness.
I know it.
Man, I think I've been needing that for about 10 years.
We're just getting started. Just getting started.
Wow. That's the first time I ever had my neck cracked. Oh my God.
This might be even bigger, honestly. Hold on one more time.
Oh Lord. No, this ain't real. This can't be right.
You should have done it a long time ago.
Oh yes, I suppose. What we got the address now.
Tori's gonna be pulling up.
Oh my God. Listen, I heard it. You heard it. You know how I used to move my neck around and it just felt like. Now you don't feel that no more. Oh Lord.
All right, nice and relaxed. Here we go.
Oh wow.
We got it. We definitely got it.
What was that? Was that me for real?
That was you for real.
Oh my God.
You got to bring him in every week now.
Yeah, he's gonna put this on his to-do list now.
One more here. Good. Oh my gosh.
Jeez.
There's a lot in there.
Oh, that feels so good. This is unbelievable.
You made a new best friend.
Oh, the jeebus. Oh, goodness gracious.
Did it go the whole way up?
Oh, I need a moment.
He's out. Put the blanket on.
Right.
Yeah, that's about it.
He
I
mounts
can go to
it.
sleep right now. That one felt great. Oh my God, man.
We still got to do the other side too.
Yeah, you're missing out.
I've been missing out for
This is his
years.
moment right now.
Right.
I've been missing out for, oh Lord.
I can't tell. He didn't believe that it could actually work and that it would feel
Because
this
nobody
good.
could do that. Look at that, it's crack already. Oh my God.
That was the killing feel.
I don't understand. How could it feel this good?
The next one's the best one though.
Is it?
Yeah, we're about to do the towel.
Well, that you've been wanting that forever. The ring dinger.
Oh.
Yeah, this is about to change your life. All right, you just relax for me. So I'm gonna have you take a breath in for me and let it out. There you go.
Ooh.
I'm done. Oh, I'm done. Lord.
What do you feel on a scale of 1 to 10?
Listen, is my head on one? Oh my goodness, babe. This is the best thing in the world. Where's the blanket? Man, this is the, oh my God, this is the best thing ever. It's still tingling all the way down. It just feels so, oh my God, that's unlike anything I've ever felt before. He did it.
You wanna do a couple more?
You got any more cracks in there?
I don't, listen, I'm whatever.
Lay on your back
I
for
feel
me.
so good right now.
Well, you gotta get the full experience. We gotta do everything. See if there's anything left in the neck, but I think we just about got it. Yeah, let this go. Yeah, we got all of that.
Oh my God, this is amazing.
Just let it go.
I heard.
I know you said you had a lot of issues with this knee, right?
Yes.
Oh Lord have mercy. It just popped my hip. Oh.
That's a good one, right?
Oh my goodness. You just don't want to do anything. You just want to lay here because you feel just so good.
I feel like my patients ask me all the time to just turn the lights out and leave them.
Yeah, honest to God, that's how it feels. Like
We need a sleep room, I'm telling you. We want to do a sleep room.
We can match, yeah.
Look.
He's gonna feel like a brand new man. You're gonna have him
I
like
just
doing
got
monkey
up.
bars and everything.
Oh my God. This is the best. What? And then I'm about to be 50 years old, so I feel like I can do 22 and a half right now. I guess I do about 50 push-ups.
Right. Brand.
Wow. I didn't really think I was gonna feel it. I can't tell a lie. I didn't think I was gonna feel anything.
So now I asked you before, about your chiropractic experience, and you said they couldn't crack you, they couldn't do anything. Did we crack you?
Is that what it was?
Back it on to me.
Listen, this feels amazing, man. I never felt, look. Y'all saw this? Y'all saw how I was look. Oh my God. Oh, come on, man. This is unbelievable. I should have did this a long time ago. Oh my God, I feel great.
Here we go.
Man.
Here we go.
I need about 5 more sessions and I think I'll be at 19 years old then.
Right.
We turned the age backwards, right?
Wow. I know I got a little arthritis right here, but it was just pain before I came in.
Mm-hmm.
Like, I couldn't even go like this. And that's the honest to God truth. I'm like, babe, my knee is in rare form this morning. It's been hurting. I've been limping all day.
Hey,
This is.
Thanks for coming in.
Yeah, so going.
Y'all see what it say. Y'all see what it say. I don't know what else to tell you. It's the truth. It's not a lie. I was skeptical. I'll be the first person to tell you because every time I've been, I never could get cracked. They never could crack the neck, ever. And that just felt, oh my. I don't know what else to say. I need a hug, man.
Let's do it.
I need a hug, man. Jeez.